we present to you the bird show. Hello everyone. Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. Welcome to Model Favorite Park. My name is Mr. La, and I am your host for today. Alright, now a little information about our park. The Albert Park was first opened on 15 February 1991, and we are houses, thousands local and also foreign birds. Okay, are you guys ready for the show? Yeah! Good. Now for our first performer here, please welcome Ringo! And our trainer, Mr. Mo. Now see, this bird can we to raise our position. Yeah! Very good job from Ringo. Thank you so much, Ringo. Okay, for that, please welcome Ariel, our African great trainer. Is the right time. Okay, Ariel, what is it? It's W E F C O M E. Welcome! Ariel here. Also welcome everyone to our show. Okay, next, Ariel want to show his acrobatic now. Ariel, let's come in front. Okay, ready? Bye. Let's show now. Acrobatic. Okay, now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. One more time faster. 1, 2, 3, and last one. 4. Yeah! Wow, very good. Nice acrobatic from Ariel, our African waiter. Thank you so much, Ariel. Alright, this time I want to welcome my little friend over here. And his name is Coco. This one. This is her. Coco. Let's see everyone here. Alright, you want to say something? Okay, what is it, Coco?
Hello.
Wow. Coco say hello to everyone. Coco, here we have pretty ladies. What will you say when you see pretty ladies?
Hi.
So naughty, Coco. Coco. Now we have kids here. For kids, can you say something happy? Okay, what is it? This sounds happy. There you go. Coco, how are you feeling today? You feel good? How you feel today? Coco, you feel good? Good. Alright, okay, now let's show everyone here your happy expression from heart. Okay, when you're happy, what will you do, Coco? Loudly. And thank you so much to Coco. Alright, then for this time, okay, we are going to see our green flag bird. Now we have our trainer, Mr. Mo, will be behind you guys. So as a reminder, everyone, when you bird fly, please remain seated and do not raise your hand. Okay, please
don't put up your
hand.
hand.
Okay, Mr. Mo, when you're ready, then let's call. For the second, we are going to call our white teacher. Okay, please welcome Jane Angel. Where are you? Good. Very our white this side, our training and also for pigeon again. It has been used as a messenger before that. So pigeon also one of the most used. And thank you so much to our pigeon. Alright. Thanks for that. Thank you so much. Alright, for this time we are going to have our second birthday flight. And for this act, can I have a volunteer? Anyone want to be a volunteer? Can raise your hand. Come on, raise your hand. Come on, anyone want to be a volunteer?
You want to go there?
Okay, so at the back. You go to our trainer, Miss Nemo, in the middle here. You go to our trainer.
I don't want. You just hold the thing, and then the bird will come and fly, and then they will come to eat the food.
Okay. For that, please welcome Eden, our elected parent. Over here, Eden is flying to the volunteer. Okay.
Oh, volunteer. Okay, let's go on. You go to our trainer at the back. Alright, now, Eden, let's fly 18 over here. Okay, ready? And go! Alright, and here, what is it? Okay, you put it sunflower seed. Good, when you done that, let's fly down here. Alright, thank you so much for our volunteers. Alright, nice. Okay, some information about this bird. For this one, this bird, we can identify their gender by looking at their color. For male, the color is green, same like Eden, and for female, the color is red. Alright, next we are going to see something more interesting. Let's see what I have for our next performer over here. Alright. Here I have two polls. Okay, for next, okay, we are going to see a racing competition. But when they are here, for the racing competition, we pick up the race start from here and put that into your phone over here. And whoever finish first and finish putting all race will be the winner. Alright, now please welcome our first competitor is Ringo! And for our second competitor is welcome Popeye! Okay, we do and will not up. But before we start the race, okay, our bird is a team supporter. Now let's see what you guys need to think. Okay, maybe from the middle line here, okay? And in my right side, you guys will be cheer for Popeye! Okay, team Popeye, let's practice out. Popeye name 3 times. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. Okay, ready? On count. 1, 2, 3. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. Yes, very good. Okay, now from the middle line here, until the left side over here, you guys will be cheer for Ringo. Okay, team Ringo, let's practice the shout. Ringo name 3 times. Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. Make sure team Ringo shout more loud and deep. More quiet, loud, and shout. And ready on count. 1, 2, 3. That's very good. Okay. Now let's get ready. Popeye and Ringo. Okay, team Southern. Shout for your team. Okay, blue side, Popeye, yellow side, Ringo. Okay, that's ready? Good. Now on your mark, get set and go. Faster, Popeye. Okay, let's see what prize we have for Ringo. Let's see. Okay, now let's see how Ringo makes the picture. Okay. Okay, nice slide for Ringo. And next we are going to have for our different marker. This one must be. Okay, please welcome. Okay, thank you to Ringo. Now please welcome Jody, our green wing marker. This time, Jody, we are going to test Jody right side, okay? Let's test our marker right side over here, 3 balls, and let's go 1 die. Okay, already check the ball. And then, Jody, we'll try to find this guy inside one of the corner. Okay, Jody, look at the die. Okay. For the first time over there, we will slide down this ball just down. Okay, Jody. Where is your guy? Yeah! Good job. Now, let's try one more time. Okay, Mr. Hawk can spin around faster. Okay? Ready? Focus please. And then come on. Let's try to get to the middle. For the second time here. Faster, Mr. Hawk. Ready? Let's get over here. Then try. Reach forward for this time. Actually, let's prepare. First, green, okay. Yellow, blue, and red. Good, too easy. Okay, next one. One more time. Second time, can you miss the color? Okay. Now, second time, the color is not in order. Okay. Can you put that ready? Alright, good. Red first. And yellow. Blue, and last one is green. Yes! Excellent. Very good job for Julie, our staff requested. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Julie. Alright, next we have our mascot again. Please welcome.
Tommy. This time we have Tommy, blue and gold mascot. And this time, over here, we are going to see Tommy playing basketball game. Right, again, we have some roadblock. Okay, Tommy need to pass all the obstacle here before score the goal and the last one here. Okay, Tommy, ready? See the roadblock and let's start. Alright, good. Alright, nice move there. Pick up the ball and score. Yeah! Very good game from Tommy, blue and gold mascot. Alright, nice job. Okay, for the next, this time we are going to see our next free fly. Okay, our bird we fly here. But everyone, let's look in front. Let's find where our bird fly here. Please welcome Zizu. Where are you, Zizu? Look in front there. We have our great mascot, Zizu. And then Zizu will fly all the way to the back over there. So, everyone in the middle area, please remain seated. Okay, Zizu, ready to join us over here? And here comes our Zizu. And for Macau lifespan, okay, they can live from 40 to 60 years old. Actually, it's a very long lifespan for Macau. Okay, now let's come.
And go mascot. Over here, choose. We'll do a three now. Okay, let's see exactly how birds doing. Okay, take the first one. A water. And go. Yes. Good. Now last one. Okay, the pink pen. So can run, please keep our environment clean, okay?
Alright, now we have come to the end of our show, but before I end, let me introduce our team of trainers today. On my right side, Mr. Mo with Q. On left side, Mr. Right hand with Zizu, and once again, my name is Mr. La. Thank you for coming to